Hey everyone, this is the stray cat's baby. She brings it to me. It's so small and pure black. Such an adorable little one. Look at that face. Look at that cute face. Well, my cat's always hissing at it. So, even though it's so small, I don't know what to do. Look at that cute face, guys. What do you think? Mama's a good kitty, but my cats are saying no. Can't have it in here. So I don't know. It's so tiny though. I'm afraid that the wild animals outside might attack it and kill it, even though it's in hiding when the mama takes it to hiding. And you can see how small it is. I'm gonna put this little one down. Oop, clawing my pants, why don't you, little one? Look how little it is, guys. Look at that. What do you think? It's so cute. Look at it. I don't know.